Introducing Motorola One. Coming up next, with full specification. New Motorola One has Android 8.1 or O operating system and planned upgrade to Android 9.0 Pie. Android One. Its CPU is octa-core 2.0 GHz Cortex-A53. Its chipset is Qualcomm MSM8953 Snapdragon 625. Its GPU is Adreno 506. Its card slot is microSD, up to 256 GB. Its internal memory is 64 GB, 4 GB RAM. Its main camera is dual 13-megapixel, PDAF and 2-megapixel, depth sensor. Its camera features a LED flash, panorama. Its video camera is 2160p at 30 fps, 1080p at 30/60 fps. Its selfie camera is single 8-megapixel. Its alert types of vibration, MP3, wave ringtones. It has LAN Wi-Fi 802.11a/b/g/n/AC, dual band, Wi-Fi direct, hotspot. Its Bluetooth is 5.0, 82dp, LA, EDR. Its USB is 2.0, Type-C 1.0 reversible connector. Its sensors are fingerprint, rear-mounted, accelerometer, gyro, proximity, compass. Its display size is 5.9 inches, 40.0 square centimeters. Its display resolution is 720 by 1440 pixels, 18:9 ratio, 409 pi density. It is single SIM, nano SIM, or dual SIM, nano SIM, dual standby. Its battery is non-removable Li-ion 3000 mAh battery. It is in black color. Its price is about €300. It has announced in 2018, August. Its status is coming soon. Express release 2018, October.